Hi, let's talk about the web. The web is made up of billions of computers, or simply put, a wonderful relationship between computers. You and I are using it right now. I share and you care. That's it. There are more than billions of uses we can think of the web. So let's try to understand it. There are many ways to interact with it, like through the web browser, or through an app or a software on a computer or a computing device, like the one you're using right now. Web browsers, as their name implies, they were made just to browse the web. And apps and softwares can also send and receive information from the web. So how? Just like we can call other people using their phone numbers and talk to them, just so can computers using IP addresses. IP addresses can look like this or like this. As you can see, they are hard to identify or remember, so we map them to URLs. So the URLs get converted to IP addresses, and those IP addresses then point us to a server or simply a computer on the network. So this computer can have multiple virtual machines or virtual computers in it. Let me know if you want to know more about those virtual machines. And they can be anywhere in the world in a data center, but it is not in the cloud. I'm sorry to break it to you, but it is not in the cloud. We need to accept it. I'm sorry. And more or less confusing, those servers can contain or host multiple servers. The server, which is a computer, can host multiple programs. Like a file server, for example, manages files. A web server receives requests from the web and sends responses based on the requests. So how do websites and web applications work? There are mainly two parts we need to know about. So first, there is the front-end part. If we take a car, for example, it is everything that you can see and interact with. Secondly, there is the backend. It would be the engine and everything that we cannot see, but is working based on the inputs from the front-end part. We're gonna dive into these two in the future, so don't forget to subscribe. So it's all made of codes, which are simply languages we use to communicate with the computer for it to behave a certain way, and also for it to communicate with its own layers and other computers. And that's it. If you really like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't, I don't know how you got this far. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.